here's a review of, well, an unboxing of the Harbor Freight Chicago Electric Welding Flux 125 welder. Just open it up. There's a manual. I'm not going to read that. There's this. Instructions of how to put the wire in and how to plug it in. And some hardware up top. Handles for the welder. Comes with a little hammer. And I'm blanking on what this is called. It's for welding. And this, I don't know what this is. This is the wire. And this is, I'm guessing, for the, yep, for the welding shield. Okay, let's take this off. Okay, here is the welder. I'm gonna set the camera down and grab it real quick. Alright, now here it is out of the box. Here's the welding shield. Pretty sure that's what this thing's for right here. Oops. I think it mounts on something like that. Well, I'm sure you get the idea. Okay, open up the welder. Let's see what it looks like. Right here. Take off the foam. Okay. This is all very new to me. I've only welded with a stick welder before. I get the gist of it though. We're making sure to put out a video of me welding for the first time with this welder, because I'm sure there's a lot of people who are looking for this kind of video, maybe for a beginner welder, because it was only about $110. I didn't really go for the coupon at Harbor Freight, so I was just in there for like an hour, and coworkers were staring at me for a long time, thinking I was probably stealing, because I was there for so long. Pushing that button right there to, let's see, yeah, pushing the button, and that opens up, and then that's, we feed in the wire. Where's that manual? Here we go. Now, my camera is a bit too crappy, so I'm just going to read this for myself. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, you can't even read that. This camera sucks. But, whatever. So, it seems like I unscrew this. Take it off with the screw. And then, you take this out. The welding wire. And then take it out of the box. Okay. Yep. Yeah, it's the... Nope, not going to focus. Whatever. Okay. Got it open now. Now, with the directions that you cannot read, you'll have to read it for yourself when you get this welder, if you do. Put it in through here, and just unspool itself. That is nice, awesome. Oh boy. Oh god, how do I get it to stop? Some people are probably gonna make fun of me now. Whatever, I'm just gonna let it go. Ah, crap, okay. Whatever. Put this on to lock it in. Now, I cannot set the camera down to be able to get you a nice view, but I'm going to feed this in. Well, I can do it like this. Yeah. That's not too bad. Just gonna feed it through with my hands. That's what she said. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna put the, no. I'm gonna, let's see. Alright, really quick, I'm gonna spool it back up with my hands and then I'm gonna tighten it. So, one sec. Okay, well, I got it semi-spooled back up. I'm gonna tension it, or not exactly tension it, but just make sure there's not a bunch of crazy slack like how there is still. Now, I need to, if I open this up, this moves open, so if I do that, and then what I have to do is I have to feed the wire through here, and then in through these wheels. That's what feeds the wire through this welding cable, etc. So I'm going to get that fed through and update you when I'm done. Okay, here's another cool thing I just found out because I was getting frustrated that this wasn't going on. So it's like this when you open up this lid, and I didn't realize that, like, okay, why can you spin this around? What you do is you pull it up, kind of pull it out a little bit, and then over, and this thing comes out, and then you could feed the stupid wire through. It's not going to focus. Nope. And then you feed it through here, and then these wheels, they turn it through. So I'm going to get that done, and then I'll show you guys when I get it fed through here. Alright, bye. Alright, I just got the wire now fed through. Now I realized, well, it's not like it's a crucial, terrible thing if I didn't notice, but right there, you can't read, but it says remove tip before feeding the new wire through, which makes sense because you're feeding this wire through that hole, and the way this is set up, it could easily, I hate this camera, it could easily end up getting all binded up or whatever. Now also, depending on what speed you have it when you are first taking it through the welding hose, I don't know what you want to call this thing, welding wire. It does take a while depending on what speed you have. I was starting to think that it was maybe getting binded up or something, but I just had to be patient, and after a while it ended up coming out. Right now I'm trying to get this this tip to go through the wire. We're almost there. It's like right at the tip. That's what she said. There we go. Alright, now I'm just gonna screw it on. Oh, gotta push it in. Haha, that's what she said. Alright. Okay, now that that's screwed on, we're gonna put on this other cap. I don't know what you call it. Goes right here. I'll show you that. Right there. Screwing it on. And it should look like that. And don't worry, the ground is, I guess, not safely, just right there. If you turn it on, I have it on number 3 for the speed. You can see, squeeze the trigger. It's coming out. And yeah, that's the gist of it. After that, you're gonna have to watch some videos of your own to learn how to weld, because this is all new for me, and I'm gonna do the same with watching videos. So thanks for watching.